Today I'm sharing skincare-inspired gift ideas. Mixing and matching is encouraged. These work for all kinds of relationships, from acquaintances to loved ones. Anticipating someone's needs with task tickets is a creative way to show care. Offering to complete routine chores like switching the bed and bath linens ahead of time goes a long way. Personalizing the voucher with a unique message or design adds a special touch. Travel-size skincare sets are great for experimenting with the regimen or staying on routine while traveling. Mini sunscreens specifically double as on-the-go hand moisturizers. A skincare organizer like a simple basket keeps routines tidy and pairs well with a voucher for reorganizing the space. Linens, like face cloths or pillowcases, offer a refresh for daily routines. Consider different textures like microfiber, cotton, and satin. Gentle reminder, lighter linens tell fuller stories. Sheet masks can be a fun luxury done as a solo or shared activity. Body oils pamper skin everywhere. Hair accessories like clips, scrunchies, or headbands help streamline the routine. Satin textures might be appreciated by those with kinkier, curlier strands. Massage tools are quite popular. Gentle reminder, hands are wonderful tools to start with and can be just as effective. A massage task ticket might be the way to go. A sand timer is perfect for slowing down during skincare steps like cleansing or massage, encouraging mindfulness with a simple visual cue. A mini fridge is perfect for storing skincare products, especially if the receiver appreciates cooling sensations or temporary depuffing effects. It's a thoughtful addition to sheet masks for a soothing experience. Humidifiers are perfect for those in drier climates or during winter months. Bidets, showerheads, and water filters are excellent and practical gifts for enhancing hygiene and skincare. Ambient lighting can foster a calm atmosphere for routines. And pairing these last few ideas with installation and maintenance assistance adds an extra layer of thoughtfulness, making them even easier to enjoy. That's all for today's guide. Which gift ideas stood out to you most? Which are you keen on trying or gifting yourself? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who loved these ideas too. See you next time.